For the first time, hundreds of protesters slammed the president right in front of his father's monument in Makati.
Sobra na! Abolish pork na!
Protesters challenged the president to scrap his pork barrel, alleging Aquino's discretionary funds were misused. They also challenged lawmakers to let go of their pork. 59-year-old Manolo Pascual came all the way from Bulacan. He isn't an activist, but makes it a point to come here. He feels betrayed by the president he elected.
Kaya nagpapasalamat ho ako na dito ginawa. Dahil andun niya yung tatay niya eh. Para baka sakaling magising ang mata niya, na teka muna, nalilihis na nga yata ako ng landas. Lumiliko na nga yata yung campaign slogan kong tuwid na daan.
Comedian May Paner, who on a change on social media, says the venue reminds the president of his father's legacy. She says it's also a wake-up call for the middle class in the country's financial capital.
And I think napaka magandang lugar ng Makati sapagkat ito ang sentro ng negosyo. Kaya naisip namin na gawin dito para sabihin natin sa mga tao ng Makati, the business sector most specifically, na kasi sila yung medyo pinaka-iffy about the pork barrel system. Siguro hati sila, aywan ko kung takot sila, masyado silang takot sa presidente o masyadong sariling interest lang nilang iniisip nila.
Organizers say they want specific policies to address patronage politics, the root of fund misuse. Protesters end the rally with a symbol of vigilance against corruption. This is the monument of the president's father, the martyred Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. It evokes memories of heroism. For protesters, it's also a warning for the president not to stain his father's legacy. Paterno Esmael, Rappler, Manila.